Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MassMutual mobile app for life insurance access step by step clearly. Download the MassMutual mobile app by first unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the store, type MassMutual. Press the search button on your keyboard or screen. Look for the official MassMutual app in the search results. Click on the app to view its details. For iPhone users, tap the Get button to start the download. Android users should tap the Install button to begin. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app by tapping on its icon. If you already have an account, tap on the Login option. Enter your username and password in the required fields. If you are new to MassMutual, select the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Verify your identity as prompted, which may involve a notification or email confirmation. After logging in or signing up, familiarize yourself with the app's layout. Explore the various features available to manage your life insurance. You can review your policy, file a claim, or update personal details. Enjoy the convenience of accessing your life insurance information anytime, anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.